out. Look at this beautiful sky today. Beautiful, beautiful. About 87 here in Pennsylvania. Got to a job site. Pep's working on the excavator. So, of course, we got here and the battery was, what, dead? So I had to run to town and get a new battery. Luckily they had it. The first place we went to go get pipe and they were closed, which are always open till noon. So that plan went sideways. But anyway, now he's here.
Howdy, howdy.
So what did you try doing with this and the sparks flew?
The one battery was shorted. Mickey left the switch on the other day. And,
Thanks, Mitchie.
oh, whatever. it drained the batteries. And the key thing was on one position, so it drained the batteries. So I went to jump the batteries, and it's 24 volt. I'm down here in the pickup, so all I got is 12 volts. So I just went to disconnect both batteries, take the terminals off so I could charge each one 12 volt individually. And the one, when I went to hook it up, man, I thought it was going to blow up. It shorted right out. Sparks flew and smoke and cinder. And
yeah, we need more fires for our business. That would be
so
great.
I took my battery tester and I tested this one, and it was a little weak, but it was good. And the other one, it said replace, so it must be dead shorted in the middle. So I just had to go buy one at Napa.
So you won't have to jump it, it'll just start.
It should start. It should have enough juice in it to start. And now I can't find the one cable in here somewhere.
So this is a job he's been doing. You're about done with this, right?
Huh?
You're about done with this job?
Yeah, I got just a little bit left to do.
And then he's putting in
Well, I gotta do, the cutting is done. I gotta do the road. I got a couple days of stoning and road work to do.
putting a driveway in.
Yeah, it's not that big a deal. I gotta widen it. I went to get those this morning. I need 5 lengths of culvert for cross drains. Went to get that over here this morning. And the place we get the pipe was closed. They used to be open Saturdays, but probably because of the stupid Corona crap.
The China flu.
Yeah.
Thanks, China.
Fong, dong, ching, chang, chong, wong, flu. Yep. I'm really politically correct, and I don't care. No, I mean, it's just whatever. Tis what it is. Getting old, ain't it?
Right along with us.
Yeah, I know.
I heard you huffing and puffing putting that battery in there.
That thing's heavy, I'm telling you what. They weigh 110 pounds or something, I don't know. I'm getting old and feeble.
Don't
I'm
have
old
the
and
energy you used to have.
senile.
The strength. Well, senile for sure. Can't remember anymore.
CRS, baby.
CRS disease.
CRS, baby. CRS. Alright, I should be able to tighten these up and perhaps make this old girl go. Don't know. We shall see.
Okay.
So how's everybody been doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Putting up with this China flu for a while. I don't know. You see the numbers are coming down in places. That's good.
Till school opens up, then it's going to crank back up.
Probably.
You watch, all these kids will be out of school again.
Yeah, frickin' stupid. I
Ridiculous.
say let's just get it over with and let the chips fall where they may. Build herd immunity. Be done with this foolishness.
Mm-hmm.
The old folks who need to be cautious, just be cautious. This is stupid, this thing. You know one thing, we sure are slowed down on nothing, ain't we, Granny?
Yeah, at least we can have fun while we're slow. But whatever, still got to make money to pay the bills. Okay, we good?
Everybody's been good. Yeah, okay. Ta-ta. We'll see if we can make another one doing some dirt digging here in a while.
TTFN.
TTFN.